Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Toyota RAV4. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cruise control, anti-lock brakes, and stability control. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.